Oh man, YouTube. You know your baby fuck with you, right? Because look, man, today a little package came in the mail, man. I ain't gonna show too much detail on that, you know what I'm saying?
Montez, ours, best YouTube channel.
Yeah. Good look.
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
This is my computer that I was using. Sorry that it's so messy too. But this the computer I was using to edit my videos. You know what I'm saying? Of course I use this TV as my monitor. But the only thing, the computer that I got, it can't hold a charge, right? So the computer that I got can't hold a charge. One more thing. It's cracked. The screen on the computer is cracked. So, you know me, man. I could have got it fixed. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be honest, I could have got it fixed. But look, the whole reason for me getting that computer was for studio. So, if I'm gonna be doing YouTube and editing videos, and then I'm doing audio engineering, recording songs and editing songs, of course I only have like, let me see, I said about like 8. No, I think I either got 16 or 12 gigabytes of RAM in my computer. So I mean, eventually it'll start running slow. So, guess what your baby had to do? You guessed right. I got me a computer, man. And look, I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I was already opening the box. Let me see if y'all can see. I was already opening it, but I said, you know what? I'm gonna wait and you know, open it with y'all. So look, I'm gonna put a link in the description also, if just in case y'all want to purchase one. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, let's just go ahead and get straight to this, man. You know what I'm saying? I got this computer. Okay, oh yeah. Who inspired me to get this computer? Let me say that. My boy, Juice96 on YouTube, aka Kayvon. You know what I'm saying? That's my brother. We grew up with each other, man. You feel me? We friends, but we like brothers. You get what I'm saying? So, yeah, he inspired me to go ahead and grab me another MacBook. So I got the MacBook now. And you know what I'm saying? For y'all who don't know, because y'all probably didn't see my other vlog, it's kind of way back. I started off with MacBook. Like I wasn't always using Windows. I used to MacBook for GarageBand, of course iMovie, and yeah, just pretty much just them two software. So like recently, like in the end of 2019, or probably the beginning of 2019, I switched over to Windows, and I started using Pro Tools and etc. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going back to MacBook, man. Ain't no place like home, you feel me? So let's get straight to this unboxing real quick. But let y'all see what come in it. All right. So first we got, okay, they got a charger. Hold up. Let me get this. Yep, they got a computer. Bubble wrapped up with a little paper. Thank you for your purchase. Oh yeah, thank you for your delivery, baby girl. But yeah, what I was about to say, damn, what I was gonna say. So I ordered this. I think I forgot, man. It wasn't that long ago when I ordered this item, and I'm gonna say that they really have some fast shipping. Let me see, do it show the name of the company I got it from on here? Yeah, okay, it says Sell Your Mac. But yeah, man, long story short, man, they got some fast shipping, man. So like, if y'all trying to grab y'all one, I'm gonna put the link in the description. This is a 2015 model. My homeboy Kayvon, he got the 2020 boy, but I ain't balling right now, man. You know what I'm saying? I want a budget. But I got this one for 365 after tax. The original price was like 340 something or something like that. So yeah, man, for it to be a 2015 model, that was kind of, you know what I'm saying, a good price, you feel me? So, hey, I ain't tripping. Alright, so I'm trying to pull it out the wrapper real quick, y'all. Man, it's so small, man. I'ma love this, man. You know, like now I can just go anywhere. I know. It's a video that I watched. I'm gonna put the link to this video that I watched as far as them giving a review on the 2015 MacBook. I'm gonna put a link in the description for that review so y'all could decide if y'all want to get one or not. So you feel me? So yeah, we all gonna be straight. So as far as cosmetic damage goes, I don't really see nothing big. That is crazy. Let me check the other edge of it. Okay, a little ding right there. Let me see if I could get the camera to focus on it. I'm gonna use this box real quick, see if I can get the camera to focus on it. Okay, yeah, a little small ding, and then okay, it's one right here on this side. Nothing too, not too major though, man. Not too major, man. Let me go focus this back on my face. There we go. So, shoot. Hey, man, it's so thin and little though, man. Look at this. Put it next to my head. Look how big my head is, man. If you got one of these, then you know I got a big head now. But yeah, man, dang, it's so thin. And then look, you still got your USB ports and stuff. That's what was so live about this. That's what I seen in the review. That's what's so sweet. It's that these still got the USB ports on them. I'm trying to see if I can get the camera to focus using the G7X, the Canon G7X Mark II. But yeah, boom. Other side we got the we got the things, you know what I'm saying? Charger port, headphone jack, another USB slot. Oh man, delicious. Hold on, let me focus this. Come on now. There we go. Yeah, man, good, delicious. Tastes so good, make it pass out. So look, let me go ahead and open this boy up, man. Shoot. God dang it. Hold on, maybe I'm gonna have to sit the camera down. Let me try open this up real quick with two hands. What the? All right now. It's so thin. You gotta put your fingernail through it to open. Oh man. Like I said, man, I never had no newer model MacBook. Like the newest one I had was either mid 2010, and then the other one I had was a 2008. So you should know how I'm feeling right now. I'm turning it on. Okay, look at it. Look at it go. It's blowing up fast. Wow. Oh, that's what's up. A little setup page. Continue in English. United States, of course. Okay, so you still push down or something. And then go to continue. US, continue. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put in the Wi-Fi and all that. But yeah, man, sure. You see, I had to boss my life up, man. You know what I'm saying? But look, I ain't show y'all the charger piece. I know in the review they was saying like with the charger pieces for these, the little magnet or something. Alright, it's still zooming on my face. Yeah, so it's like a magnet. Say they don't come out easily in junk or something like that. I don't know. Or you can't knock over your MacBook if you trip over the cord. One of the two. You know what I'm saying? Or vice versa. But yeah, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to go ahead and wrap this video up, man. If y'all like this video, make sure you smash the like button. You feel me? Smash it because it helps with my YouTube algorithm. And another thing I need y'all to do, man, please subscribe to the channel. I'm like really just trying to get the ball back rolling, man. I've been uploading every day, man. I'm trying to stay consistent, y'all. So, you know what I'm saying, bear with me. Comment down below what videos you would like me to make and everything, man. So look, we about to go ahead and wrap this up. Like I said, can you please smash the like button. Also drop a comment, man. I like to hear from y'all. I like to engage and talk to everybody, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Rock with me. Subscribe. I'm out. Peace.